Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share another tool I created using Google Sheets, a simple yet effective leave tracker. Employees Sheet, this is where you enter your employees' names, hire dates, regularization dates, and their current status. Filed Leave Sheet, this is where you record employees' leave applications. Months Sheet, a calendar view that allows you to easily track which employees are on leave. Report Sheet, this is where you can view a list of applied leaves for each staff member within a selected date range. Type of Leave Sheet, this is where you define the different types of leaves, set their acronyms for easy use when applying for leave, and configure the tags that will appear in the Months Sheet. Let's assume a staff member planned to request vacation leave for June 12, 2025. On the Filed Leave Sheet, search and select the staff member's name, choose the leave type, specify the leave date, and optionally add remarks. Upon selecting the staff member's name, the remaining leave balance will automatically appear in the right corner. Lastly, just click Save once all details are correctly entered. The details will be saved on the table below and can be viewed in the month sheet by filtering the month. You can also view individual staff reports for the selected date range in the report sheet. In the top right corner, you can also view the remaining leave balance. To add a new employee, go to the Employees sheet and enter the staff name, hire date, and status. The employee will then be automatically added to the drop-down in the Filed Leave Sheet. On the Types of Leaves sheet, you can customize leave types, which will automatically update in the Filed Leave Sheet drop-down. Additionally, you can customize their tagging in the month sheet.